I now request the President Catholic Board of Education, Hyderabad, Diocese Reverend Bishop Max, to honor the jubilarian with his words of wisdom.
Oh, we had a fantastic evening. It was a real golden jubilee. It was great joy. We really felt the throbbing heart of St. Bonaventure's through the staff and students over the years. And we really enjoyed your presentations today. Angela, Mrs. Angela, fondly everyone calls you Angela, and Honorable Principal, Mr. Bertram, so well remembered on the stage today in many ways. I think everyone loves you all so much. And they showed their appreciation through song, dance, comedy, and really it was very enjoyable. Father Anju always has something very symbolic, and he always tells us a story. And his story and the symbol of that he presented, something which really comes very personally from his long association and knowing Angela and Mr. Bertie. I appreciate all the things that were done today. I appreciate all the ex-students that are here. People come from far and wide. When I looked at the backdrop, I saw a ship and I saw two lighthouses at the start until today. That was on the stage and on the choir, really beautiful choir. Always amazed me how you all remember so many songs and how you all gel together so well. It's really enjoyable. This reminds me, Angela, of the work you have been doing for so many years, the last 50 years, taking people across, being a lighthouse to them, across in life to the shores of success, the shores of achievement. And I see from your ex-students the gratitude they have over the years for both of you. This is really amazing that we could celebrate, and what Mr. Bertram, our Honorable Principal, mentioned, that probably this would, I don't know if it can go into the Guinness Book of Records, but here we have both husband and wife who have completed 50 years of dedicated service. We all appreciate what you all have been doing. Father Anju said some very meaningful words at the Mass, at the prayer service that we had. It says Angela always has been giving of her best. And I think a person can only give of the best when we have a purpose in life. And she definitely has a purpose. A person on Golden Jubilee or right through life, if we have something to be grateful about, then we can go on to fulfill our mission in life, our purpose in life. Because our mission, our doing things for others, comes from a sense of gratitude. And only by practicing gratitude through service, through dedicated love and service, over these long 50 years, we can see that today both she and her husband, Mr. Bertram, were able to give thanks to the Lord. Gratitude overflows in service. And both of them, because they have been grateful to God for all the blessings and gifts they have received in life, were able to give a lot. It was able to overflow in their lives to others. So Angela, we join you in your gratefulness to God first and to many, many human beings, to your husband, he to you, it's mutual, and to many, many, many people whom you have offered your services and who have given of themselves. They have given of their best. You have done your best. You have given of your best, and many of them are returning that best by showing you in life where they have reached and how they are able to serve others because they feel grateful. On this Golden Jubilee, we'd like once more to thank God, to show our gratitude to God for this very fortunate for the diocese, fortunate for Sindh, fortunate for Pakistan, this lovely couple having lived a full life of love and service. Thank you. I owe gratitude to you from the whole diocese and from everybody here present.